Hey ladies, what if I told you the key to finally achieving your weight loss goals isn't just about counting calories or just balancing hormones? Functional Health Nate here, and in this video, what I want to teach you is how to lose predictable and consistent weight even if you're dealing with bloating, low energy, and hormonal issues. If you're in your 30s, your 40s, and your 50s, and things that you've tried in the past aren't working anymore, or maybe you just had your first or second kid, you're not bouncing back into your body like you used to, or maybe you're dealing with excess cortisol and belly fat because your hormones feel off due to perimenopause or menopause. Or maybe you just feel like your hormones are off because you don't know why. Life's changing, you're getting older, and these things are just happening and you don't even recognize your body anymore. What if I told you the real secret lies in resetting your metabolism so that your hormones and your body becomes a fat burning machine, which means you're gonna effortlessly lose weight, shed unwanted pounds, even while you sleep. In the next few minutes, what I wanna do is just give me a second here. I'm gonna teach you this exact process, and I'm gonna walk through how you can finally break free from the cycle of frustration and transform your body and your health for good. But first, we gotta talk about why most weight loss strategies fail. And the problem is you've probably tried everything to lose weight. Seeing your doctor, cutting carbs, intermittent fasting, macros, endless cardio. Maybe you've, even worked with a functional med doc or a naturopath that gives you hundreds of dollars of supplements and promise that this is gonna fix your issues. But you don't see the scale ever change. Yeah, you maybe feel a little bit better, but here's the harsh truth. If your metabolism is broken, none of these strategies are gonna work in the long run. You might see some initial results, right? But eventually, a week or two, a month later, the weight comes creeping back, leaving you stuck, leaving you frustrated, and wondering what went wrong. The real problem isn't your diet or your exercise routine. It's your metabolism. And when your metabolism is sluggish, your body clings to fat, and it feels like no matter what you do, you just can't lose those stubborn pounds. And to make things even worse, many common weight loss methods like extreme calorie cutting or excessive cardio, they actually slow your metabolism down even further, making it harder and harder to lose weight over time. It's a vicious cycle that's gonna eventually lead to hormonal problems that leaves you feeling exhausted, deprived, and worst of all, defeated. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to imagine just for a second, what if I told you what it would feel like to finally take control of your metabolic system and your hormones and your metabolism to turn your body into a fat burning machine that works for you 24/7. Picture yourself with more energy, less bloating, the scales finally going down, a leaner body, more confidence that comes from knowing that you've finally cracked the code to lasting weight loss. No more yo-yo diets, no more plateaus, no more frustration, no more overwhelm, no more wondering if what you're doing is the right thing, just consistent, steady fat loss that you can actually maintain. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what we're gonna help you with in this video. So you're probably like, well, what do we do? How do I do it? It's all about following our proven 3-phase process that's designed to reset your metabolism, optimize your hormones for fat loss, and then create metabolic and hormonal flexibility so you can enjoy a more resilient body that actually keeps the weight off for good. Phase 1, we have to start here. It's all about our full body reset. And we start with a full body reset by removing inflammation and internal stressors. Inflammation is one of the biggest metabolic killers that nobody's talking about. Slowing down your body's ability to burn fat, making you feel sluggish, making you feel tired. And by eliminating inflammatory foods and focusing on nourishing your body with whole nutrient-dense options, we give your metabolism the jumpstart that it needs. And this phase is all about healing your body from the inside out so that you can lay the foundation for long-term success. This entire first phase is customized to foods that you enjoy, so you don't have to worry about guessing or the overwhelm of how to create a plan that's actually gonna work for you. Once we've reset your body and reduced inflammation, we move into the metabolic optimization phase. Here, we're gonna focus on boosting your metabolic rate so that your body burns more fat even at rest. Super important. This phase includes strategic nutrition, incorporating high quality protein, and strength training to build lean muscle mass, because the more muscle you have, the more fat you burn, even when you're not working out. This is where you start to see the fat actually melt away and your body begins to transform. Not to mention, you'll have abundant amounts of energy, massively expanding and improved sleep quality, less fatigue, less stress, less brain fog, and you're starting to feel more like your old self. Finally, we create metabolic flexibility by building resilience and gradually raising your caloric intake. This phase ensures that your body can easily switch between burning carbs and burning fat for fuel, making it easier to maintain your weight loss and actually enjoy a balanced, sustainable lifestyle. No more restrictive diets, just a strong, resilient metabolism that allows you to enjoy food without the fear of gaining the weight back. By the end of this process, you're gonna have the tools and the confidence to maintain your results for life. And this is the phase that every program skips out on. It's not hard to help someone lose weight when their metabolic system is reset. However, most don't know how to help you stay at your new goal weight and reset your body fat set point to your goal weight to where you're able to now enjoy your life at your new weight without worrying about the weight ever coming back. So if you're ready to reset your metabolism and get your hormones back on track and finally achieve lasting weight loss that you've been actually dreaming of for years, we're here to help. We've guided thousands of women through this exact process over the last 10 to 15 years. And honestly, it's your turn. All you need to do is just take the first step. Send me a message on Instagram with the word reset, and I'll ask you a few questions just to make sure that we can help and then personally walk you through how we can get started. Listen, don't wait any longer. You've already waited for years, and imperfect action is better than no action at all. So step out today, get into your uncomfort zone, and do something different to get different results.